Welcome to Jainam Software. In this video, we will understand the different interest calculation method in Jainam Software. I am searching customer profile. I click loan and then enter the amount, rate of interest. I select deduct interest in advance, tenure 36 months. Then disbursed on 15th March, advance interest received on 15th Jan in disbursed, advance interest on 1st Jan, and the first installment start on 10th Feb. I click save. Loan 1 is created. I search the loan. Now we can see that interest is basically deducted in advance, and here this is the interest for next year, this is the interest for the second year. Now let's create another loan. Now in this I want to select balloon method, tenure 36 month, and in balloon method I need to define the jumping, principal jumping. So interest duration I select 6 months. I search loan 2. In this case, here interest part, and then interest, the principal is jumped after 6 months, and then after that the interest is recalculated. Let's create third calculation method. Bullet method, tenure for 12 months. I click save. Loan 3. Here interest is calculated for 12 months, and on 12 months entire principal to be received. Fourth calculation method, that is first interest, then interest with principal using IRR concept. This is also called a moratorium. Selecting for 12 months, and first interest I want for 4 months. Now here the interest is calculated for 4 months, after that using the IRR concept, keeping the installment same. And the last calculation is equated principal with reducing interest. Let's use for 12 months. 5 is created. Now in this case the principal is kept exactly same. The installment is keep changing because the interest is varying based on the outstanding. Okay, thank you for watching this video. You can also try different schemes and use the calculation method that suits best for your business. Thank you. Have a great day.